Wood is a durable material that can last for many years with proper care. This make it a great choice for favorite furniture and decor items that are intended to be used in long time. Wood furniture and home decor items play a significant role in interior design and can greatly impact the overall look and feel of the space. Here are some reasons why wood furniture and decor items are important. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more interesting videos. Wood has a natural beauty and warmth that can be add visual interest and texture to any space. The grain pattern and natural color of a wood can create a cozy and inviting atmosphere. Wood can be used in a variety of style and the settings, from traditional to modern and the static. It can be stained or painted to match any color scheme or design style. The procedure of incorporating wooden furniture and decor item into a home decor scheme can be a vary depending upon specific item and the desired effect. Here are some general guidelines. Decide on the overall style and the color scheme you want to achieve in your space. This will help you to choose wood furniture and decor items that fit with your visions. Don't be afraid to mix and match different wood finishes and texture to create a depth and interest. For example, you could pair a light wood coffee table with a dark wood bookshelf. Make sure to balance out the wood with other materials and the texture in your space. Too much wood can make a room feel heavy and dark. The overall impact of wooden furniture and decor items on home decor can be a significant. They can add warmth, character, and the natural element to space, making it feel more inviting and comfortable. Additionally, the wood furniture and decor item can last for many years, making them a sustainable and eco-friendly choice for home decor. Wood furniture and the decor item are classic and the timeless pieces that never go out of style. They can be incorporated into any interior design and style, from traditional to contemporary, and can last for a generation with proper care. Wood is a renewable and a sustainable material, making it an eco-friendly choice for home decor. Additionally, many manufacturers are responsibly sourced wood, which means that the wood is harvested in a way that does not harm the environment or the communities that depend upon the forest. Wood furniture and decor item can be customized to fit any specific design requirements or the preferences. Whether you want particular type of wood finishes or design, you can work with a skilled craftsman to create a one-of-a-kind piece that fits your unique style. Wood furniture and decor item can provide a sense of comfort and the familiarities that can make a home feel more inviting and cozy. A wood rocking chair can evoke memories of childhood and provide a soothing and a calm effect. Overall, furniture and decor item can greatly enhance the look and feel of the space while providing many practical benefits such as durability and sustainability. Whether you perfect and prefer rustic, traditional, modern style, there are countless options for incorporating wood into your home decor. Wood furniture and decor item can add a texture to any room, create visual interest and depth, whether it's a natural grain, the goods and crave details of wooden sculpture. Wood is a material that can help to create a warm and cozy atmosphere in the room. Wood furniture and decor item can be used in a variety of ways to achieve the different goals. For example, the wooden room divider can create a privacy while adding decorative element to a room. A wooden material frame also adds an interest to wall while providing a functional purpose. The natural color and texture of wood can add an organic element to a space, making it feel more welcoming and comfortable. While wood furniture and decor items are durable, they do require some maintenance to keep them looking their best. This can include regular dusting and cleanliness, as well as occasional treatment with wood oil and the waxes to prevent drying or the cracking. Quality wood furniture and decor item can be an investment that pays off over time. Unlike mass produced disposable furniture made from cheap materials, wood furniture and the decor item can appreciate in value and become family heirlooms that are passed down for generations. Wood furniture and decor items are often offer a range of benefits that can enhance the look and the feel of space, from their durability and the versatility of their warmth and the texture. Wood is a material that can add character and style to any home decor schemes. Wood furniture and decor items are produced and used various parts of the world, as the wood is a widely available material. Some regions are known for their particular type of wood and working techniques. For example, the Scandinavian countries are known for their use of light-colored natural wood in furniture and decor, while African countries may use darker, more stoic wood their design. Additionally, many countries have their own unique woodworking tradition and the styles. Wood furniture and decor items are popular and used throughout the world, with different regions putting their own spin on the materials and the techniques. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here.
Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for being here. Here we are back again. Here is our new video. Today's video is about how to utilize the wood slices in home decor and how to create a beautiful art with this wood slice. So let's get started. Wood slice used in home decor and art ideas have gained significant popularity in recent years. These versatile pieces of natural material are perfect for creating rustic and organic look that can bring warmth and charm to any room in your home. Whether you are an avid do-it-by-yourself enthusiast or just looking for some inspiration to add a touch of nature to your home, here are some creative ways to incorporate wood slice into your decor and the artwork. The first one is wall art. Wood slice make excellent canvas for wall art, and there are endless possibilities when it comes to creating unique and personalized pieces. You can paint or stamp the slice and stenciled design in backdrop for a mixed media pieces. A series of wood slice canvas is varying size, shapes can create a striking focal point in any room. Wood slice can be easily transformed into a stylish and functional poster. Simply sand the surface of the slice smooth and add a coat of polythene to protect against moisture. You can add cork or filth backing the bottom or prevent the scratch on your furniture. Wood slice make a beautiful addition to any tabletop decor. They can be used as a centerpiece or charger for even a base for a centerpiece. Pairing wood slice with other natural materials such as greenery, burlap can create a cohesive and organic look. Transform wood slices into a unique candle holder by carving out a small divot in the center of hole, a tea light, and the abstractive candle. The natural texture and grains of the wood will create a warm and inviting ambience in any space. Create a rustic wall clock using a large wood slice as the base. You can use stencils or gently lettering to add numbers or a design and attach clock hands and the mechanism to the center. A wood slice clock can be a statement piece in any room. Wood slice can be used to create a beautiful and a natural garden decor. You can create a pathway or the stepping stone by embedding slice into the ground or use them as a base or spotted plant. A wood slice, birdhouse, or the bird feeder can also be a charming touch to your garden. Transform wood slice into a beautiful and functional jewelry organized by adding hook or small nails, hanging necklace, bracelet, earring for a unique and rustic display. Create rustic shelf using sliced wood as a bracket support. You can use reclaimed wood for shelves or OPT for more modern material like glass and metal for a constructing look. A wood slice shelf can add a touch of natural warmth to any room. Wall hook transform slice into a stylish functional wall hook. Simply add a small look to the center of the slice and mount it to the wall. A series of wood slice hook can create an interesting and functional display. Create a unique and personalized picture frame using wood slices. You can add a photo to the center of the slice or create a collage for smaller photos. A wood slice picture frame can add a great way to display your favorite memories in a rustic and charming way. In conclusion, wood slices are a very versatile and a beautiful material that can be used in a variety of home decor and any project. Whether you are looking to create rustic and organic look, you just touch a natural warmth to any space. There are endless possibilities when it comes to using wood slice for wall art and a coaster to the garden decor picture frame. This natural element can add a touch of charm and the personality to any room in your home. So go ahead, get creative and see what unique and beautiful piece you can create using your wood slice. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching.
Here we are back again with another amazing video. Thanks for being here, and please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos and more ideas. So let's get started. In our today's video I am going to show you some vintage wood animal art ideas, and we are going to tell you how to upcycle your old waste wood in beautiful ways to decorate your home and upgrade your skills. So let's get started. Upcycling old waste wood to create a vintage wood animal art is a wonderful way to breathe a new life into a discarded material. Not only it allows for creative expression, but it's also an eco-friendly solution that helps reduce waste and lessen the impact on the environment. Vintage wood animal art can take many forms and styles, from rustic to modern, abstract to realistic. Here are some ideas to get you started on your own recycling project. One of the most traditional way to create a vintage wood animal art is through a wood carving, and this technique involves using carving tools to shape the wood into a desired form and create intricate details. Rustic wood carving can evoke a sense of nostalgia